pull that out, okay, and put this one in. Now this goes on the side there, just the way you pulled it out.
And this?
Yes. See, and then you close that. There you go. You did it.
After you change the filter, you're still going to have that red light that you saw that indicated that you needed to change the filter. So the way to reset that button is push down the light and the other button, as you see depicted here, for about 3 to 8 seconds. So light and ice type. And if you forget, you'll see that it says filter reset, hold 3 seconds. That's how you fix it. Swap out the filter, hold down the light and ice type for 3 seconds, and then you're good to go. Hey, if this video was any use to you, give it a like, a thumbs up, and even leave a comment whether or not this worked for you or not. This will help the search results for others that are having similar issues discover if this is a useful video for them and boost in the rankings. Thank you for watching Technuba. I'll see you in the next one.